this video, we will talk about how things work behind the scenes. If you've already watched our first video, you know that the first agent to be executed is Rudolph Abel, who is our reconnaissance agent responsible for generating the commands that will be executed by the bot. For this, we use Crew AI. If you're not yet familiar with Crew AI, it's basically an AI-driven platform designed to create and manage virtual agents. The most important point is the AI model we will use, as this will determine whether our agent is truly intelligent or not. Since the primary goal of this project was to create a simple proof of concept that can be run on any machine, including computers without a dedicated GPU compatible with a llama, we decided to use the model uncensored, Dolphin Llama 3.8b. It's a great lightweight model with good results, but you must understand that if you want more accurate and consistent results, you should use more complex and powerful models like ChatGPT-4. Changing the model is simple, and Crew AI has excellent documentation. Just for comparison, our chosen model has 8 billion parameters, while Google's Palm 2 model has 540 billion parameters, making it 67.5 times larger. You will certainly achieve much more consistent and accurate results if you use more advanced models. After selecting the model, the most important aspect is configuring our agent, which is based on 3 main points: role, goal, and backstory. These should be defined according to what you expect the agent to be capable of doing. Crew AI also provides the opportunity to add tools to our agents, but that will be covered in another video. Now we need to define our task, which basically outlines what we want the agent to do. The task structure is simple. It should include the description, the agent responsible for executing it, and the expected output. After defining the task, you should create the crew instance with the defined agent and task, configure the process, and then execute it to obtain the result. The same process is applied to the other agents with slight changes in logic and objectives. Now that our agents are ready, we move on to our main script, Agent Controller, which is responsible for managing the agents in the correct logic and order. We have 4 functions in the main: send CMD, get result, send final report, send analysis result. The first part of the function involves an infinite loop that detects if a new bot has been registered in our database. When a new bot is detected, we start the execution chain, which essentially calls our reconnaissance agent to generate a command, sends this command to be executed by the bot, and waits for 5 seconds before capturing the command result from the server. This result is then used to initiate the data analysis agent, which generates an analysis. We send this analysis to the server to create a log and call our intelligence officer with all collected information, including the analysis result. Finally, we capture the output, which should be our final report, and send it to the server to be added to the log and report page. This tool is intended for authorized security testing and research purposes only. By using this tool, you agree to the following terms and conditions. You will only use this tool for legal and ethical purposes, such as testing your own systems or those for which you have explicit permission to test. You will not use this tool to gain unauthorized access to any systems or networks, or to cause any damage or disruption. You understand that the use of this tool may be subject to local laws and regulations, and you are responsible for ensuring that your use complies with all applicable laws. You will not use this tool to engage in any illegal or malicious activities, such as hacking, cracking, or distributing malware. You will not use this tool to violate the privacy or security of any individual or organization without their consent. You understand that the use of this tool is at your own risk, and the developers are not responsible for any damages or consequences that may arise from its use. By using this tool, you acknowledge that you have read and understood this disclaimer and agree to be bound by its terms and conditions.